Hello everyone, it's time to start submitting your classes for next year, and I try to make a form to make your life a little easier because you're going to be submitting a lot of classes. Excel, new form. So as you go through and want to submit some classes, go ahead and start filling out the information. I have some information filled out to make this video a little quicker. And then you're going to do a start date and an start time. A couple things here. If the end date is same as the start date, you can hit the green button, copy start date, and it'll automatically fill this in for you. If not, go ahead and put a different end date. As far as your end time, if it's a 4, 6, or 8-hour class, you can click the 4-hour and it'll add a 4-hour class, 6-hour, 8-hour with no lunch break. And if you want a class ending at 1700, go ahead and click that button. The max number of tickets, you can either do the drop down or you can type in, whatever you prefer. Name of contact for the class and email. If these two blocks are the same as up here, go ahead and click this gray box and it'll copy those for you. And a phone number. And the name of the facility where you'll be holding the training and the address of the training facility. If it's any of these commonly used ones off to the right, all you have to do is click the button and it will autofill that information for you. If you need to type it, you can also type the information if it's not found in this button. And if you want some more buttons to autofill, just let me know and I'll add them. You'll give any equipment. Bring some stuff, lodging information, wherever, if there is, you can put in A, or you can give it a name like Doug's Inn in Meridian, whatever. What area of the website do you want it to appear on? So you can do the drop down, either the main page, a task force page, or law enforcement. And list any links to any websites. If you have anything that you need them to click on to go view or register for, you'd put it here. And any other comments, blah, blah. So once you have this, you can save it and email it to me. If you want to do multiple classes, you have two options. If you click here to make a new class, you'll go ahead and click it. You'll notice it adds a tab here at the bottom. It goes and keeps all your information. That should stay the same, so you don't have to reduplicate it. And then you fill in the class. If for some reason the class and all this information is staying the same and all you want to do is change dates, go ahead and hit make copy of class. And what it'll do is it'll make another tab and all the information will come over but the dates, and you can fill those in. And of course, if the training area changes, you can go ahead and update that. If you have any questions, give me a call or email me. Thanks.